Okay, got a new breaker, 60 amp stab lock. I'll throw it in here. Always turn off your main power. Okay, breaker's off. Should be good to go. Okay, panel covers back on, breaker's on. Gonna try out the welder here and make sure it's good. Doesn't trip the breaker anymore. Okay, got the welder all plugged back in. Gonna try and finish up this rocker box today. Those Federal Pioneer and Federal Pacific, I think it is, stab lock breakers. They're really hard to find. Nobody's got new ones in stock, so I had to pick up a used one, and it was $100. The brand new one's $130 here. I went online, just like the local buy and sell pages, and people are asking $200 for a breaker, for a used breaker. Stop being a dick and hoarding that stuff and raping people. That's ridiculous. But anyways, that's my rant for the day, so get at it and see if we can finish these up. Still having issues with my high frequency start, so it's kind of on scratch start right now, and that's not ideal for aluminum welding at all, but we'll get it. Remember, you always got to keep aluminum really clean. Okay, got those gouges welded up. That's one that I did the other day. But yeah, scratch art, TIG welding on aluminum, it's not good. That's why it turns black. That's just the carbon burning out, but as soon as you touch the tungsten to it, it just makes a mess. It's hard to do. So I got to get that high frequency start figured out. It's driving me mental. Be right back. Okay, just got the air sander, 80 grit. I'm gonna get some more glue for the sandpaper. Okay, I got it all sanded up. I just got to go over it. I was using 80 grit, so I'm just gonna go over it with 240, 320, finish it up with 600, and then polish it. Hope everyone has a great day. Be safe. I'm not feeling too bad, so I figured I'd just add on to the video here with these rocker boxes and start polishing them up. I got them all sanded down, so might as well keep going here. This is extra fine. I get this from the local Peterbilt dealership. Well, it's not really close, but it's an hour drive, but I get it from there. It works the best, I think, for good aluminum. Coming good. That's what it looked like before. That's what it looks like now. I'm using a cotton wheel, in case anybody wanted to know. You want to use light pressure too when you're polishing, not too much. Turning out good. Just gotta clean it up, and then well, we'll be right back. Okay, this is a liquid polish I use. I get this from Peterbilt too. This stuff works really good. For putting it on, I just use paper towel, regular paper towel. And that'll get rid of all the black spots left from the buffing wheel. So you just rub it on until it turns black, then rub it off. Just like that, turns dull, kind of black tinge to it. Then good microfiber cloth. That's the side I just did. And this is the side I gotta do. You can see all this black gummy stuff. It'll take it right off. Okay, finished product. Looks a heck of a lot better than it did. Oh, and on shovel heads, this number right here, that's the day, month, and year. So 8th day, 6th month, 1980, that's when this was made. Okay, be safe out there, everybody. Have a great